What I'm going to talk about today is my favorite companion to my sewing machine, and that's my handy serger. I'm going to talk to you about the different parts of the serger. The first part is the thread tree, and this is for guiding your threads when you thread them up on your serger. This, of course, is your handle, and it's for easy carrying and picking up of your serger. Just like your regular sewing machine, the serger has a presser foot. The handle or the lift for the presser foot is on the right, and it lifts up the presser foot and lowers it. On the back of your machine, you have your spool pins, and you have 4 of them. You can either load up 4 threads, or you can load up these 2 in either one of these or both. This little rack right here is your spool support, and it supports the spools of thread. You sit this on top, and that's what holds your spool of thread in place. This is the thread take-up cover. This, of course, is your needle and the housing for your needle. I only have 1 needle in here now, the left needle, but you can actually ride 2 and use your right needle. If you're using 4 threads, you'll need 2 needles. Now I'm going to use my pencil as a pointer, but right here is your upper knife. This is your material plate cover here. This is your spool fan support. It holds the little lever here that controls your thread guiding. And this is the support for that. Left thread tension dial right here. This is your right thread tension dial. Your upper looper tension dial, and your lower looper tension dial. This is the lever that lifts or raises your presser foot. And just like on your regular sewing machine, you have a hand wheel, and this is the knob that turns or rotates so that you can lift the needle up and down. But important thing you want to always remember, it only goes one direction. This, of course, is your front cover. And this here is your material slide plate, and this is for when you're overlocking. Of course, your fabric's going to ride right up against here. Here's our power switch, off and on. And right here is our plug for unplugging, just like your regular sewing machine. Here we're looking at the side of the serger. So we're going to identify what these levers are. The first one here is our differential feed ratio adjustment lever. I know that was a lot, wasn't it? Our second one here, this one is our stitch length adjustment dial. Right here we have our knife lever, where you can turn the knife on or off. And in my case it's off, so let me turn it on. And finally, the fourth one here is our stitch width lever. Now we're looking at a close-up inside of the serger here. Right here, this is our upper looper. Right here is our lower looper. This is our stitch finger. This right here is our lower looper guide. Of course, here are all the guides, the thread guides for the upper and the lower looper. And as you'll notice, they're color-coded, so each one represents a different looper, which makes it easier for threading, which that'll be another video. Now here we have something similar to on my sewing machine. We have a free arm, and as you can see, whoops, this slides off, and it gives you room to thread something up in here so that you can serge it continuously, whatever it may be, pant leg or whatever. So that's kind of nice feature there. So we're going to put that back. So that was our free arm. Right here is where you pull the lever back, pull this back, and you open the door to get to threading the serger. So we'll learn that in our next video.